Hi guys, in case you were wondering how I'm doing, I'm having a mental breakdown. Her name is Noelle. I just want to be the Joker for Halloween, but this shit ain't it. This shit is not it. I look so... Oh my god, I look like a... Oh my god, this is why I can't keep a man. Oh no.
I would eat it if it was cold. It's a log, Noelle.
It wasn't. It's in the gravy. Are you still gonna eat it? No! No, Andy! No!
It's good. Oh. I bet she's an Aries.
It's true. I am. It's true. April 9th, 1999.
Oh.
Aries.
Wait, 1999? Uh-huh. You me too.
Wait, you're 99 too?
It's almost like
You're the
you guys are
same
the
age.
130-something Pokemon that there are now. It's hell.
Andy, you need to give me dance lessons.
Anytime.
Oh wow. You're doing a pretty good job of mirroring each other. Oh wait, can you guys do the box thing?
Miming?
Oh, no, like where you mirror each other, you know what I'm talking about?
Wait, I don't know.
What are you doing?
I gotta feed myself. I dare you to say, can I have a straw for my Wendy's drink?
Oh my god, don't say it's for Wendy's. Just literally be like, hi, this is so random, but can I get a straw?
It's a robot. They're taking over. Hi, can I just have a straw, please?
Sure, you can come around to the left.
Thank you. To McDonald's for nothing?
They put a straw in your bag.
They sure did.
Hi guys, we're going camping for just tonight only. This is Katie's bag. And this is all of Katie's stuff too. We're going for one night. We're camping for one night.
But like, it's just blankets. Like, I'm not trying to freeze. Literally.
We are gonna freeze though. It's fine.
My hand. Oh my god, she's back.
The car is packed, guys. Oh my god, put Chewy back. What's up, vlog? We're camping. This is the start of the sighting. Katie is setting up our little tent. This is our little site. It's not the best site, but it's nice.
Alright.
I'm so cold.
So, who's
We all look like it's about to snow. It is October. Yo, I'm in awe.
At first when we were walking down, I thought that was ice.
Oh, you thought that was ice?
Yep.
It's a little too early.
Building a fire, guys.
Alright, cheers, boys. We finally did it. Yeah. Happy camping. Can we also acknowledge how close we are sitting to the fire? We're gonna catch on fire.
It'll be fine.
Oh, Kristen's like, I won't be cold anymore.
I just remembered. We had s'mores.
I'm crying.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, it's because the smoke just keeps going into her chair. Literally blowing in my eyes. Guys. She thinks that's gonna help. I'm hoping. You can't see the haters.
This isn't the fucking Arctic. I'm frozen.
Oh my god.
I just want to acknowledge how many blankets we have. We are covered.
Oh, I feel so much better in here.
Yeah.
Good morning, vlog. We survived. How'd you guys sleep last night?
I slept really well.
So did I. I
I'm
was.
so glad.
You did too? I was like really warm.
Yeah.
I was insanely warm.
I took off my socks.
Like I didn't have to sleep with my coat on, and that was like,
Hmm.
I'm so happy.
thank God.
I
Oh,
I
like how
slept with it
fucking
on, but I'm
pretty this
chilling.
looks. It looks so pretty, and then you have my ratchet ass in the corner. I love the fall. I can't even like get over this. It literally looks like a mirror.
Look, that person has a dog over there.
Christian's just trying to cook himself. You know, I never thought like the whole middle kid syndrome was like a legit thing that I could suffer from. But I think I am, because guess what I noticed today? This is my older brother's graduation picture, right? The frame's pretty like decent size. This is my little brother's graduation picture frame, okay? A lot bigger, but whatever. This is mine. Do you see these size differences? What the fuck? What the fuck? Why? Why do I get that tiny ass one? 'Cause I'm just a teen.